Before we start, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss quick, practical Google Sheets tips that save you time. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to rename a column in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data for a project or just tidying things up for clarity. First, open Google Sheets. Head to the Google Sheets homepage, and if you're not signed in, click Sign in the top right and enter your Google credentials. From your dashboard, open the spreadsheet you want to work on. If you're starting fresh, create a new one and add some sample data so we have a column to rename. Once your sheet is open, find the column you want to rename. Click on its header letter. The entire column will highlight in light blue. Next, click the small drop-down arrow on the column letter, then choose View More Column Actions. From there, click Define Named Range. This opens a sidebar on the right side of your screen. In the text box, type the new name for your column. Pick a clear, descriptive name that matches the type of data in the column. This makes it easier to understand and reference in formulas. When you're happy with the name, click Done, and just like that, your column is renamed. It's a simple change that can make your spreadsheet far easier to read, especially when working with large or shared datasets. Plus, named columns are great for making formulas more precise. If you found this helpful, tap like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can work smarter in Google Sheets.